you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? So we're gonna be playing with this baby today. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be grabbing this color and placing it all over the lid so it gives me some base to work with. So I'm just placing that all over the place. So now we're gonna go in with this color right here. This is like a mustard color, yellowish, all over our crease as the first transition color, like so. Next color, I'm gonna be using this one right next to it, which is like an orangey. Same brush, same technique in the crease, placing the color and bringing whatever is left on the brush towards the yellow. Now I'm gonna bring this clean brush and buff in there. So here's what I have so far. Now I will be bringing Sundown, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna do the same, just bringing that color and also bring it up just the tiniest bit. Flick that color out. And you gotta be careful because that color is really powdery, so you have to be careful and dab, because otherwise you're gonna pick way too much. You can go back and forth until you're satisfied with your blending. You can do swirling or wave back and forth. Okay, now I'm satisfied with what I have. I'm gonna jump into the next color, which is gonna be, I'm first gonna cut my crease, and for that I'm gonna be using this color corrector from Becca. And I lay my finger just, it doesn't stick as much, just enough. Okay, now with a small brush like this one from Jaclyn Hill, we're gonna be grabbing this green right here, and we're gonna be placing that in there. Jesus, I'm not sure which one should I grab. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna start with that one. Super light, just in case I want to go darker. I have that window, so I'm gonna place that shadow right there, following the gut line from the cut crease. There you go. The eyeshadows stick really well. So far, not getting any fallouts. So here's what we have, and now I'm just gonna fill this part with some browns. I'm gonna start with Horizon, which is a reddish, and then I'll go in with coconuts. We're gonna be using this more precise brush, dipping into Horizon and placing that in the outer B and right there. Just dipping into Horizon and bringing it to the outer B. So don't worry if it looks messy. It will look bad before it looks better, but just keep on going. Bring that color to your liking. And as you can see, I'm just not dragging, I'm patting the color in there so I get the most color payoff. And now we're gonna go with the other color, which is coconuts, this one right here. Just gonna be placing that on top of that one just to see if we can get a nice chocolate reddish brown. And I like that. Just flicking it out, blending, not getting out of that zone. I'm not bringing that color up, I'm just gonna leave it right here. Okay, so now that I have my outer corners to my liking, I'm just gonna grab a glitter. Time for glitter. I'm gonna grab this one, or maybe should I? I'm gonna grab this one. This one right here looks like more fun. That's like a brown, red, green, and some colors right there. So I'm gonna grab that one and dab it right in the middle to just bring those two colors together with this one, and let's see how that looks. I'm gonna use my finger for this process, which I feel like is gonna be the best option to do this. So I'm gonna grab this small brush, and this is a concealer brush, and this one is from BH Cosmetics on number 9, and try to dance up that glitter. Again, I'm not using any glitter glue or nothing, just to see how they work. And I feel like the brush is doing a great job. Just gonna go ahead and put some false eyelashes, and then I'll be right back to finish the bottom lash portion, and that will be all. I'll be back. So I have my eyelashes on, and since I used the black glue, I'm gonna have to use a liquid eyeliner to fill in the gaps, and I'm just gonna be using this from ColourPop. Okay, you guys, so that's how the eyeliner is looking. I don't want to take away from the look, so I did just the filling between the eyelashes. I'm not great at putting eyelashes, so I have to practice a little bit more. Just look past that and we'll be okay. So now I'm gonna do the lower lash portion, and I'm gonna start how I started on the top. I'm gonna start with the yellow, then I will run to the orange, and then the reddish and brown. So I'm gonna bring the yellow a little lower, so it's gonna be our transition shade up to here. Then I'm gonna start bringing the orange, and then the horizon color right up against the lashes. And that's gonna be it for the lower lash line. I'm gonna put some mascara in my lower lash line and maybe a pencil. Let's see. Let me run that pencil through. I'm gonna be using this Essence Nude color. I'm gonna run that in there. There you go. Then now, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. mascara, so I can use the itty bitty side and get in there. This is really helpful, you guys. So I'm gonna finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. So now I'm just gonna grab a color to do my inner corners with, and I was thinking maybe this one called Glow or Sunrise. I think Sunrise is gonna look good, which is a gold, so it matches with the glitter right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Actually, it's weird. But very pretty. Okay, so right there, not too much. Maybe I want to place some other, let me see, this color right here and see how that looks on top of that. It's the same freaking. So I have mixed them, this one called Glow with this one right here, and I'm gonna see how that looks on my inner corner. I'm not a fan of that eyeshadow, just like more wet looking. Okay, so now it's showing a little bit more. Not a fan. I feel like this palette was lacking one really light color to inner corner with, but that's not bad. I'm also going to be using this Revolution Balm, Shimmer Balm, and see how I like that. And this has the specks of blue, purple, pink, silver, and looks like that. I feel like I should have gone with a matte gloss, but I really wanted to try how this looks, and looks very hermoso. Here's how the look turned out, you guys. Hopefully you like it because I'm loving it. It's a very nice palette. I really enjoy this palette, but I feel like I still need a shade lighter to inner corner with. This one was like pretty dark, and I had to mix this, and I had this as well. So I feel like this color is pointless because it's a duochrome, but come on, it doesn't have that much pigment. The rest of the colors are beautiful, but I feel like I was missing an inner corner color, and that was about it. I really enjoy the eyeshadows. They're pretty pigmented and really easy to blend. So I'm gonna be including the swatches for this eyeshadows right here. Maybe.
Take down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and unspoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies sound a broken sea, and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called.
If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you did love this look, and I will see you in the next episode.
Yeah.